discussing about the exercise 2.3. The question number 6, 7 and 8 is left out, so I'll be discussing about that. Let us discuss the first question number 6. 6. Question is, Lipika reads a book for 3 by 4 hours every day. She reads the entire book in 6 days. How many hours in all were required by her to read the book? Every day she covers 3 by 4 hours every day in a book. So in 6 days she complete the whole book. Okay, in 6 days she complete the whole book. So question is asked, how many hours she required to read the book? So Lipika reads for every day. Around 3 by 4 hours. Then it is given, she reads the entire book in 6 days. She completed entire book in equals to 6 days. Okay, it is given the question. So total time required to complete the book, it will be equals to 6 into 3 by 4 hours. So we need to multiply. Firstly, convert this into a improper fraction. 6. So it will be 4 into 1 is 4. It will be into 7 by 4. Okay. So if I multiply here, so this will be 2 3s are 6 and 2 2s are 4. So what will you get the answer? So you multiply the numerator. 3 into 7, it will be 21 divided by 2. So she will complete the full book in 21 by 2 hours. So this is the answer for your question number 6. I go to question number 7. So question number 7 is, a car runs 16 km using 1 liter of petrol. How much distance will it cover using 2 3 by 4 liters of petrol? 1 liter covers 16 km. So in 2 3 by 4 liters, how many distance the car will cover? We need to calculate it. So car covers distance in 1 liter is equals to 16 km. Okay, in 2 3 by 4 liters, it will cover 16 into 2 3 by 4. First convert this into improper fraction. 16 into 2 4s are 8, 8 plus 3 is 11 by 4. 4 4s are 16, so it will be 44 km. This will be your answer. That means in 2 3 by 4 liters, the car will cover 44 km. Clear? So what I have done, 1 liter 16 km. So I have multiplied 16 into 2 3 by 4 liters. So what we have got, 2 4s are 8, 8 plus 3 is 11, so 11 by 4, 4 4s are 16, so it will be 4 into 11 is 44 km. We go to question number 8. So the question number 8 is, provide a number in the box such that 2 by 3 into box is equals to 10 by 30. Question number 8. Answer number 8 is, it is 2 by 3 into a box is given equals to, it is given 10 by 30. 10 by 30. So in the box, what will be its answer? You can do in two ways. You can do it directly, or you can do one thing, you can put an X here, and in that way also you can do. I'll be showing you both the ways. So you use which one you find it easier. Like suppose you can see here it is 10, below it is 30. Okay, on the right hand side, this is a equal to symbol. On the left hand side, we have 2 and we have 3. To make this numerator 10, what we have to do? We have to multiply with 5. So in this box, your answer will be, it will be 5 divided by, and to make the 3 30, we have to multiply with 10. So it will be 5 by 10. Clear? I will be showing you one more way of doing it. By putting it as x. 2 by 3 into x. This is one more way, okay? This is OR. You can use any one of the way. Either you use this, either you use this. 2 by 3 into x equals to 10 by 30. Implies, as we have already done in the chapter, if I interpose this 2 by 3 on the right hand side, what will happen? 3 will come up and 2 will come below. So x will be equals to 10 by 30 into, it will be 3 by 2. It will interpose, it will change its position. So 2 5s are 10, 3 10s are 30. So it will be equals to 5 by 10. And here also you can see it is 5 by 10. Here also you can see the answer is 5 by 10. You use your own way, which one you are finding it easier. Okay, so we go to this is part 1. We go to the part 2. Part 2. Part 2 is given. The simplest form of the number obtained is in dash, box is dash. Simplest form of the number obtained is, simplest form means this one. What will be simplest form? If I divide it, I'll get the answer as half. That will be your answer. This will be your simplest form. Then if I go to question B1. Question B1 is, again we have to find out 3 by 5 into one box is given equals, so it is given 24 by 75. So what will be inside the box? 5 and 75. So to make this 75, we have to multiply this number with we have to multiply with 15. If I multiply this 5 into 15, I will be getting 75. And if you want to make 3 as 24, you have to multiply with 8. So your answer will be 8 by, it will be 15. This will be your answer. Second one, you try by yourself. So in the next class, I'll be starting the exercise 2.4. So this much for today. Thank you everyone.